Hey there, are you tired of missing the best XR deals? Would you like to get exclusive XR deals that you can find nowhere else? And would you like to know which headsets and which gear actually I use as my daily drivers from month to month? Well, I got great news for you. I'm introducing the MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. You're going to get these deals directly into your mailbox on a monthly basis. And I make sure that these newsletters are high value, so not spammy at all. And I'm kicking this off with the best deal for the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED and all the Pimax Crystal Super's QLED headsets. And you cannot find this deal anywhere else. I negotiated this with Pimax to be exclusive for the kickoff of that newsletter. So if you're thinking about buying the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED or any of the other super models, now is the best time because this is the best deal. And if you don't want to buy this headset, but you know somebody who would like to buy this headset, share this video because they will be absolutely grateful for this. All right, so let's talk about the deal that kicks off the MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. You're getting the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED and you get free DMAS. And that is already a big deal because normally the Pimax Crystal Super series comes without these headphones. And these headphones are really good. And in my opinion, you absolutely need them. That already is a value of $99 that you get for free. But that's not all, of course, and I had to negotiate really hard with Pimax for the next one, and that's why this is an exclusive deal. So on top of the $99 free DMAS, you're also getting 12 months of extended warranty worth $219. Wow. So now we already got a value of more than $300 just because you signed up to the MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. So you can tell already this is really an amazing deal. And 12 months of extended warranty, that is a big deal already, right? So yeah, sometimes these break down and now you got 12 months of extended warranty and can get this fixed for free just because you joined the MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. But that is not all. It still gets better. On top of that, you're getting my 2% creator discount. So depending on which model you're going to buy, you're going to get $2 off. For the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED, that is $43 that you just get off the price just because you're getting this deal. All right, so now we're over 300. We're in the $360 area that you're getting for free now because of this deal. But it even gets better. When you take this deal, you're also going to get free shipping on top of that. So yeah, this is truly the best deal for the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED ever, and for all the other Pimax Crystal Super headsets like the ultra wide, the 50 ppd, and the 57 ppd. But this deal is only on until the 15th of March and only through the MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. So now the big question, how to get it? It's very simple. You simply sign up for the MRTV Buyer Alerts newsletter. Let me show you how that works. So here we are. This is the website mrtv.kit.com, and you simply enter your email address here. You click on Get Buyer Alerts, and then you're going to receive an email from the system where you have to confirm again that you really want to join that newsletter. And once you've clicked on that link in that email, then you're automatically going to get the first email from me. And in that email, I'm going to teach you how to get that MRTV Buyer Alerts crazy deal for the Pimax Crystal Super MicroOLED and the other Pimax Crystal Super headsets. And I'm telling you, this is an incredible headset that I love. So absolutely check out my review that I posted here. And you can find out that this is simply visually the best headset in town. And one of the only problems that I found is the audio because it doesn't have DMAS, right? But with that deal, you're getting DMAS. So if you're in the market for the Pimax Super Micro OLED or any of the Super headset, now truly is the best time to get it. This is the best deal for this headset. I made sure and I negotiated this just for you. If you do not want my newsletter, you can get the deal and you can directly unsubscribe. I'm totally fine with that, but I'm telling you, it is going to be worth it. I'm going to get out bangers just like this for you because I am in the position to get these deals with those headset companies. So it's absolutely worth it to subscribe to the MRTV buyer alerts. All right, that's everything that I got for this video. Now go click the link right now after this video, sign up for the MRTV buyer alerts and get this best deal ever. And even if you're not in the market for this headset, still join because I'm having other fantastic deals there that nowhere else you're going to find. And yeah, it's going to be worth it. Also, if you know somebody who is in the market for this headset, tell them about this video so they can join the MRTV buyer alerts and get this deal as well. That's everything now that I have for this video. I wish you a wonderful Chinese New Year of the horse, which I'm going to celebrate now with my family here in Taiwan. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see the next one and in the comment section. And of course, in the MRTV buyer alerts newsletter. Until then, bye-bye.